super emotional.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Yeah, what's up guys? I'm really excited because first I'm in Panama. Let me first show you how beautiful it is. Super beautiful. The view is really amazing, you know, like super amazing. You see that? Yeah. And it's a beautiful day here in Panama. Number two, let me show you why. It's because of this box right here. This box. I don't know what is in, so let me open it. It's really sealed, super sealed, like really sealed. So probably I'm gonna put this camera here. Okay. It's my hard disk. Let's unbox the case in nice way. You know, that guy is crazy, man. First, it's to unbox. Oh shit. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can see me what I'm doing, but probably yeah. Or maybe I should be there. So it was sent to Panama, and papers have been signed, you know, customs and everything. Oh man, I'm just doing it the local way. Where you put the camera, maybe more. Yeah, maybe here. Okay. What is it? Oh shit. Oh man. This is... Damn man, I'm so happy. Like, so for those guys who don't know, I lost my drone like a week ago in Costa Rica. I was flying it, then all of a sudden it disconnected. And just like that, I tried to trace it down. The people who were around the area where it dropped said they did not see it. Okay, so that's box number one. We can put the papers right there. Okay, and this is it. Wow. So one of my subscribers actually gave me this drone for free. I told him I'm gonna make a video and I'll tell people about him, but he said he didn't want. I don't know, man, if really it's fair for me to talk about this without involving your name, but maybe if you really didn't want. But if maybe you change your mind and say you want your name to appear, I'll put it in the link below. Yeah. Or maybe I should call him. The problem is I'm recording using my phone, and I'll call him after this. Let me first check what is inside. Let's check, okay? So purely new. Wow. Let me show you this. Man. Yeah, I told him to take off the battery, because most of the time when I travel to other countries and the battery is lodged in the drone, it appears like something dangerous, maybe something like customs don't allow, so they have to check like, what are you carrying? So they sometimes see it's a drone. But if you travel with it this way, it looks like something just plastic, you know. They don't see it as maybe a gadget, or like, you see how a gun passes through, you know, those screening, and they be like, hey, there is something here, what's this? So if it passes this way, it's never detected. And that's how I travel to many countries with a drone. So wow, serve me as long as you can, bro. Oh, then yeah, we have that. We have the one battery. Now I have 4 batteries of a drone. Oh wow, this, I think this one is, we put this one here. I believe this is, oh wow, the filters. Wow. So when it's too sunny, I could use filters, these filters. Actually, my other drone did not have these filters. Let me show you. They're super sensitive, so see, that's how they look like. Those are filters. Okay. Wow, and there are I think there are 3 of them. Actually, there are 4, because I think this drone is having a filter already. Okay, yeah, there's one filter on it right there. It's purely new, man. Damn, this is, see, baby's back. Then we have this to clean the filters, the propellers, very nice, all new. We also have this, is a bag to keep maybe probably the propellers or one of them, and what else, and the original box. So, but I have a bag. I should show you this. Just one minute. Boom. So this was the original DJ Mavic I had, which I lost everything. I lost the main drone, and these are the things I was left behind with. It's fully packed. Look, 1 battery, another 2, and the original one which came with the original drone. I don't want to mix it for now. And oh, the charger right here, and we have this is still a charger, controller. Okay, oh, actually I didn't take the controller of this other drone. I don't know if he sent it or not, but probably he didn't send it. And now I can't trust my controller. I don't know if I can trust it that much, because it's this which lost my other drone. But I will. Boom, 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 boom. Man, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, bro. Like super thank you for. I'm so emotional, man. Super emotional. I'm super emotional, man. I know, man, you took your time to think of buying a drone. Sending one drone like this to me, man, it means a life. Actually, I was grounded. You know, sometimes when you want to travel, but you can't travel because, you know, like, I'm going to a beach and I need to show people how this beach looks like, and I don't have a drone to show that. And this thing is expensive, over $1,000. Man, I want to say thank you, special thanks. I know you have my number, you can call me anytime you want. But I want to still say thank you so much for sending me this drone. And thank you for my YouTube community, for all those guys who donated to support Ayamara after I lost my drone. A lot of you guys really showed support. And I will not fly this drone today. Let it rest a little bit, but I'll just test it, but not fly it like, yeah, because I'm in Panama right now. So I'll fly it probably, let me fix this. I'll fly it probably when I'm in an island, San Blas in Panama. So I'm fixing the wings. Let me do this. Okay. That wing is fixed. So always when you fix the wings, you see when it's white, let's say like here it's white, and you see here it's showing white, so they belong together. And I'm trying to show you this, but you know I'm far away from. Okay, wow. So this is white, it's gonna be here, white. See this white line? See the white right there? Let me fix it. Okay. And the last one right here. I know you guys wanna see. Yeah. Let me turn it on and see. So you press 2 times. 1, 2. So 1, then long press. Thank you so much, bro. And God bless you, man. I don't know. I just don't know how to say thank you. But it's really functional. I'm gonna be testing it maybe after, you know. Yeah, it's showing hours here. It's doing good, man. Thank you so much. Okay, lost drone. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, bye bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
All I need is you, baby, baby.